Welcome back, Fiesta Plaza, a movie town. Let me just say goodnight to Fiesta Plaza, Texas de Brazil, Rizzoni's, Traders Jack's. Who else am I missing? Tommy's.
Zanzibar.
Good night, Zanzibar. All the restaurants nearby. Welcome. Thank you for having us here for another wonderful season. We are back, and they say when it's nice, you do it twice. So we're doing it twice, 2 ways. Charlene back to back today. Another healthy recipe.
I realize you like eating healthy now.
Yeah, I'm
proud of myself.
It's carnival time,
You're
so
breaking out.
carnival time, so I'm going with a healthy vein. And let me introduce my guest taster. He's my namesake. His name is Joel. Welcome, Joel.
Yes, good night.
That song weird.
Yes.
Joel. Yeah, that song weird. But welcome.
I'm Jolene.
Right. So all
I'm just
and
joking.
lean. Okay, I got you.
So Charlene is going to do a segment that she does on this show all the time. It's called Fit Food Fast. And the Fit Food Fast really is Charlene's pet peeve that she came to us and decided to do fit recipes. She's a fitness chef. She's also a fitness enthusiast, fitness model. Are you still modeling, Charlene?
No.
You're not modeling anymore?
No.
Chef duties take over.
Yeah.
Chef hat take over. So she's no longer modeling, but she's a fitness enthusiast, and she caters for fitness enthusiasts.
Yes.
A full line of catering products for fitness enthusiasts. Pepe's products. You're doing last week, I think
Last week we did lentils.
You did lentils.
Yeah.
What are you using for us?
This week we're doing quinoa. This is the main ingredient in my dish today. But I'm going to add some chia seeds, make it a little extra healthier. How I like it.
So the quinoa.
Quinoa.
And the chia seeds.
Joel, you know how to cook quinoa? Let me tell you about the first time I cook quinoa. So you know when you're cooking rice, the process for rice, you boil the water, you add your rice to the pot and you take it straight and you strain it. So I actually did that with quinoa and I didn't have no quinoa at the end. Because quinoa is like a really, really fine grain that you need a sifter or a strainer to strain it.
So what's the key to getting it nice
Fluffy.
and grainy and fluffy?
Honestly, Joel, 1 part quinoa, 2 parts water, you let it simmer, you make it stir it, and it will get fluffy.
So you're not bringing it to a boil?
No, you don't have to. I honestly, if I'm doing a big batch, I bring it to a boil and I strain it.
Right.
And it cooks just as fine.
So in and out of the water kind of thing?
In and out of the water. Not like couscous. Quinoa takes a little longer to boil than couscous.
Okay.
Right? So Joel, today we're going to be doing a quinoa porridge. Now you know I love my oats. I eat oats every morning as a rule. Yeah. But because I see that quinoa is so versatile that you can make porridge out of it. I mean, we grew up on rice porridge, flour porridge, you know, all kind of porridge.
Yeah.
So why not eat quinoa porridge? To this. All right, Joel. I'm going to make my honestly,
Whose idea was that Charlene back to back on the show?
Honestly, I'm making my quinoa porridge really, really nice. It's a coconut quinoa porridge. So in my pan, I have some milk, almond milk, and I have some coconut milk. So,
Seriously, though, Charlene, breakfast ideas in terms of eating healthy could be real challenging. So I think something like this.
And Joel, you can put it in the fridge, bring it back, reheat it in the microwave, and basically that's it.
Yeah.
So to my milk, I'm going to add some cooked quinoa.
Yeah.
Now you don't have to cook the quinoa, but because we're on set, it finishes faster.
Yeah.
So you can literally add your raw quinoa to the milk and leave it to simmer. But now the only thing with that is you have to keep stirring it because it's going to stick to the bottom of the pan.
Right.
So to my milk, I'm going to add my cooked quinoa. So Joel, it's just like you're making porridge at home.
Right.
You know, you're making oatmeal porridge.
Oatmeal, yes.
Yeah.
So
Instead
of the
quinoa.
oatmeal, you're using quinoa.
Quinoa, right.
Yeah. Are you a porridge guy, Joel?
Yep. Enamel cup, bay leaf.
Enamel cup?
Enamel cup, bay leaf, brown sugar.
Nice. You know, I should have bay leaf to add to
the
this.
The man knows his porridge, man. The man knows his porridge.
These are sago, quick oats.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
A little honey.
You like it, Joel? You like it, Joel? You like it?
Joel speaking the language. Right. So to the quinoa, Joel, I'm going to add some honey. Just because I know you like things a little sweet.
Excuse you.
Yeah. No sugar.
No sugar.
Honey.
We're going to add some. Now, I have a mixture of pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, some wheat germ, and I'm going to add some chia seeds to this.
What's the chia seed? Because
Chia
Pepe has an entire line of these healthy products.
Honestly, Joel, I just love it.
So what is chia
seed? Is
seeds?
a superfood. It's high in protein, it's high in fiber, it's high in sulfuric acid. Let me tell you about chia seeds. Add it to anything, smoothies, add it to rice, anything, Joel.
I can add chia seeds to rice?
Yeah, anything, Joel. You know when your rice uncooked, they add some chia seeds for a little crunch.
Okay.
I mean, it doesn't have much flavor,
Right.
but it adds a lot of nutrition to your diet.
Yeah.
And Joel, basically, this is it. Now you're going to leave the quinoa, all the other ingredients. Now what you can do is add some cinnamon to this. You can add some raisins to this. You can add some apples, blueberries. Now this is quinoa is such a bland ingredient that you can literally add anything to it to amp the flavor.
Yeah.
But I add honey alone, and that's good enough for me.
Yeah.
Nice? Good enough for you, Joel?
No, it's not good.
Right?
I wanted raisins and
Well,
cranberries.
no. Let's pretend we're cooking for a diabetic or something, right? It's good. And basically, it keeps stirring the quinoa until it thickens, and
Yeah.
that's it.
Yeah.
Literally, and this is what
get
you
here.
have. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. A double dose of Charlene Procope Delph, our fitness chef. Quinoa porridge brought to you by Pepe's. You look like a porridge man, so tell me. Should I have it?
Are you tasting the coconut?
Yeah. Yeah?
Awesome.
Fit Food Fast, brought to you by the folks at Pepe's. Thank you very much, Chef Charlene.
You're welcome.
Chef Charlene Procope.